Greetings everyone and welcome to Omicron IoT Solutions. Today, we will show you how to install your professional weather station powered by your Datalog X-PRO. The Datalog is an IoT multisensor wireless device designed for remote and real-time monitoring of different processes with high security and precision requirements. Due to its great versatility and smart functions, it is suitable for numerous applications. The professional weather station is capable of measuring numerous parameters with high speed and accuracy. Due to the absence of moving parts, the required maintenance is minimal, and thanks to its heating system, it is able to operate in cold environments. Let's see the installation.
Today, we will show you how to install your weather station for IoT.
We will use a solar panel with support, a power box with the battery, the Datalog X-PRO with the weather station module, and the connector. And finally, fasteners for the modules.
Ideally, a pole approximately 2 meters high with a 5-meter clear radius securely grounded in the soil.
Once we have installed the mounting piece, we secure it with nuts and bolts. We route the cable connected to the station and secure it with the screws. To secure the solar panel, we use zip ties, making sure not to strangle the cable to prevent damage.
Now, we will install the power box. For this, we place the zip ties in these points, and we place it below the solar panel. Now, we will install the Datalog X-PRO. This one should be in the solar panel shadow above the power box. First, we connect the cable from the box to the X-PRO. It has a rail that allows the connection. Then, we will connect the weather station cable to one of the sensor ports. In this case, I will use the sensor 1, again using the interior mark. Next, secure both connectors by screwing them. Using zip ties, I fix the Datalog to the pole. Make sure not to strangle the cable. Finally, we must connect the solar panel connector to the power box, so it can supply energy to the battery. Using the internal rail, we insert the port and then we lock it in place by turning it.
And that's it. Now you have successfully installed your IoT weather station powered by your Datalog X-PRO. Make sure to follow our channels to learn more about the Datalog, follow our other videos, and discover more about Omicron IoT Solutions, our devices, and how to impact your business and the industry through the IoT.